Namaskar, a very warm welcome to Prasar Bharati Sports. I'm Smriti Rastogi with IPL Gupshup. पांचवा मैच टूर्नामेंट का मुंबई इंडियंस और कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के बीच खेला गया एमए चिदम्बरम स्टेडियम चेन्नई में, जो कि मुंबई इंडियंस ने 10 रनों से जीता। बहुत ही क्लोज मैच रहा बिटवीन द टू टीम्स। ऐसा लग रहा था आखिरी तक कि क्या पता कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स ये मैच जीत जाए, बट मुंबई इंडियंस ने बाजी मार ली। इस विषय पर और चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ कुछ खास मेहमान जुड़ रहे हैं। सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस मिस्टर जी राजा रमन, क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट। वेलकम राजा।
Thank you very much, Smriti. Thank you for having me on the show.
और उसी के साथ हमारे साथ दो और खास मेहमान जुड़ रहे हैं। मुंबई से हमारे साथ हैं बिनायशा। अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम बिनायशा।
थैंक यू स्मृति।
और कोलकाता से हमारे साथ हैं किंगशुक। आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है किंगशुक।
थैंक्स अ लॉट स्मृति।
राजा, अमूमन देखा गया है कि टूर्नामेंट की शुरुआत में जब भी कभी मुंबई इंडियंस हार के साथ शुरुआत करती है तो वापसी बहुत ताबड़तोड़ करती है, बहुत ही जबरदस्त तरीके से वापसी करती है। क्या उन्हीं लाइंस पे हम मुंबई इंडियंस की परफॉर्मेंस देख रहे हैं इस बार इस टूर्नामेंट में?
नहीं, टू सून टू से दैट, लेकिन कल उन्हें एक गिफ्ट रैप्ड मैच मिला है। मैच तो जीतना कोलकाता को था और मेरे अपने ख्याल में बहुत ही खराब क्रिकेट खेला है कोलकाता के बल्लेबाजों ने। शुरुआत सही रहा, उसके बाद दे जस्ट गिफ्ट रैप द मैच टू मुंबई इंडियंस, बट नॉट टू टेक एनी क्रेडिट अवे फ्रॉम ट्रेंट बोल्ट एंड राहुल चहर। इन्होंने अच्छी गेंदबाजी की and as did Krunal Pandya. I think Mumbai would pick up the points, लेकिन it was much in terms of a gift. लेकिन गिफ्ट को कौन मना करता है? This is the festival season, isn't it?
एब्सोल्युटली राजा। और उसी नोट पे एक नजर डालते हैं कि प्लेयर्स की परफॉर्मेंस ओवरऑल दोनों टीम्स की कैसी रही। हम बात करते हैं सबसे पहले सूर्य कुमार यादव की और रोहित शर्मा की, मुंबई इंडियंस से, जिन्होंने टीम के लिए मैक्सिमम रन स्कोर किए। सूर्य कुमार यादव 56 और रोहित शर्मा 43 रन्स। कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स से मैक्सिमम रन जिन्होंने स्कोर किए हैं वो हैं नीतीश राणा 57 और शुभमन गिल 33। आंद्रे रसल ने 5 विकेट्स लेकर के अपना लोहा मनवाया। वहीं चहर ने 4 विकेट्स लिए। बिनायशा, आपसे पूछूंगी कि सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बिनायशा, योर टीम वन विद अ थम्पिंग विक्ट्री। बट ऐसा क्या मुंबई इंडियंस ने किया जो कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स नहीं कर पाई?
Firstly is hats off to the captaincy of Rohit Sharma. He believed in his players and he lifted their confidence level when they were down and out. And the overs between 16 to 20 was so crucial that they gave away just 20 runs and they picked up 3 key wickets. So hats off firstly to Rahul Chahar, who bowled brilliantly in the middle. He picked up some key important wickets of 2 left-handers, and when a leg spinner does that, it is incredible because you don't get to see something like that very often in cricket. So that is extremely commendable. But then hats off to Krunal Pandya also. He came and he picked up the wicket of Shakib Al Hasan, and from there on it was Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt in that last over. They needed 15 of 6 and to bowl a beautiful Yorker length to have a cotton bolt of Andre Russell was fabulous. And it was the key overs between 16 to 20 that lifted Mumbai's spirits. And in fact, even Rahul Chahar, to say something like that after the match, he says, sometimes, I have low in confidence, and that is the time Rohit Sharma as captain has more confidence in me. So that speaks a lot. 5 wins. Mumbai really have something in it to pull out a win from tricky situations. So hats off, and it's a complete team effort. So well done to Mumbai.
एब्सोल्युटली विनाशा, कंप्लीट टीम एफर्ट एज यू मेंशन्ड। आपने बात करी राहुल चहर की, तो उनको प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच के खिताब से नवाजा गया। ओवर्स जो उन्होंने डाले वो 4 ओवर्स डाले, 4 विकेट्स लिए। बड़ा ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस रहा। किंगशुक, आपसे अगर परफॉर्मेंस की बात हो तो कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, जैसे कि राजा ने भी बोला कि ऐसा लगा कि कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स ने गिफ्ट रैप करके अपनी विक्ट्री मुंबई इंडियंस के हाथों में दे दी। तो टर्निंग पॉइंट कहाँ रहा? किंगशुक, मतलब मैच एक पॉइंट तक उनके हाथों में था, कोलकाता के हाथों में था, फिर अचानक से मुंबई ने पल्लड़ा उनका भारी हो गया।
Yeah, absolutely. So, just like Rasa says, just bouncing up from that, he gift wrap karke de diya. And it's the flurry of wickets that happened after Chahar started to bowl. Between 9th to 15th over from 62 for nil, Kolkata went from 122 for 4. And from there, everything looked difficult, everything looked fidgety, and nobody had any clue about how to bat. I think at a point in time, Andre Russell, the muscle Russell, forgot how to play his shots, and pretty much that's where Kolkata lost it. Kudos to Mumbai though. Good thing. One of the silver linings from this game is probably that this happened very early in the tournament. Kolkata would not have liked this later on. So yeah, enough time to bounce back, I believe.
एब्सोल्युटली राजा, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच राहुल चहर ने, बट उसी पॉइंट पे आंद्रे रसल की अगर कोलकाता से बात की जाए तो 5 विकेट्स, क्रूशियल विकेट्स उन्होंने डेथ ओवर्स में लिए। क्या पता था कि वो इतने लीथल साबित हो सकते हैं, सबसे पहले, और दूसरा पॉइंट कि बल्लेबाजी में इतना कुछ खास प्रदर्शन कर नहीं पाए।
फेयर पॉइंट दैट स्मृति, मुझे लगता है कि वो बल्लेबाजी भूल गए। जो उनका प्राइमरी काम है, जो सबसे पहले वो जाने जाते हैं बड़े बड़े शॉट्स खेलने के लिए, वो शायद कल भूल गए। यू कांट हैव दिनेश कार्तिक एंड एंड्रे रसल एट द क्रीज। 22 रन्स नीडेड विद 3 ओवर्स लेफ्ट। गेंदबाजी कोई भी करे, काफी आसान काम होता है, लेकिन फुल क्रेडिट टू मुंबई इंडियंस बॉलर एंड दे डिड अ वेरी गुड जॉब। लेकिन रसल के 5 विकेट वो भी बहुत सारे गिफ्ट में मिले। ये लग रहा था कि निचले क्रम के बल्लेबाज हर बॉल में मैच जीतना चाह रहे हैं, हर बॉल को ग्राउंड के बाहर फेंकना चाह रहे हैं। व्हेन यू प्ले क्रिकेट लाइक दैट एंड यू डोंट प्ले स्मार्ट क्रिकेट, यू टेंड टू लूज विकेट। और 2 ओवर में 5 विकेट लेना, एंड्रे रसल लुक लाइक अ सुपरस्टार अंटिल ही केम ऑन टू बैट।
राजा, क्या कह सकते हैं कि मुंबई इंडियंस ने अच्छी गेंदबाजी की और कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स की जो बैटिंग प्रदर्शन था वो अप टू द मार्क नहीं था?
नहीं, दोनों साइड का ये मानना होगा कि बैटिंग कुड हैव बीन मच बेटर, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट दैट। 150 रन कम थे। आई थिंक दे नीडेड अनदर 20-30 रन्स ऑन द बोर्ड, मुंबई इंडियंस, टू बी श्योर ऑफ विक्ट्री। लेकिन उनके भी निचले क्रम के बल्लेबाज, चाहे वो हार्दिक पांड्या क्यों ना हो, कायरन पोलार्ड क्यों ना हो, कृणाल पांड्या क्यों ना हो, आई थिंक दे डिड नॉट प्ले देयर पार्ट रियली वेल। रोहित शर्मा ने अच्छी शुरुआत जरूर दी। सूर्य कुमार यादव प्लेड अ ब्रिलियंट नॉक। उसके बाद बल्लेबाजी शायद भूल गए सब लोग। जिस तरीके से T20 में स्मार्ट क्रिकेट खेलना चाहिए वो देखने नहीं मिला। मुंबई इंडियंस वी गॉट टू सी द लोअर ऑर्डर क्रम्बल। सिमिलरली इन कोलकाता, आप देखिए स्कोर कार्ड देखिए, सिर्फ 2 उनके ऐसे बल्लेबाज हैं जिन्होंने डबल फिगर्स में गए थे। उसके बाद तो वो टेलीफोन डिजिट, सिंगल डिजिट लगने लगे। आई थिंक it was a very forgettable match for most batsmen yesterday.
एब्सोल्युटली राजा, अब एक नजर डालेंगे राहुल चहर की परफॉर्मेंस का, जिनको मैन ऑफ द मैच के खिताब से नवाजा गया। 4 ओवर्स डाले राहुल चहर ने और 4 क्रूशियल विकेट्स उनके खाते में आए। बिनायशा, एक जो अहम सवाल रहता है वो ये कि क्विंटन डिकॉक कुछ खास कंट्रीब्यूट कर नहीं पाए। क्रिस लिन को खिलाना कितना बेटर ऑप्शन था? क्या उनको एक और ऑप्शन देना चाहिए था, एक और उनको मौका दे सकते थे?
Absolutely. At a later stage in the contest, we can see Chris Lane coming in if Quinton de Kock continuously fails with the bat. But I think Quinton, as he said, that he had a great net session, he's come into his own rhythm. And a player, especially after facing a period of quarantine, takes some time to come into his own groove. So at this point of time, I think it is better to allow Quinton to settle down. And the combination of Quinton de Kock and Rohit Sharma in the top order can be very lethal for Mumbai Indians. And if they go on and if they get around 60 to 70 in the first 6 overs of power play, definitely the opposition is going to be on the back foot. So at this stage, I think they should go ahead with Quinton de Kock and possibly see Chris Lane as a backup option later in this contest.
Right. Vinasha, on that note, we'll also take a look at Mumbai Indians in the last 2 years in the power play overs, how they have performed. We'll take a look at these graphics out there. Most wickets, 50 wickets. Best economy rate is 7.42. So this is how the Mumbai Indians have fared. किंगशुक नीतीश राणा का विकेट गिरने के बाद टीम कुछ खास परफॉर्म कर नहीं पाई. मैक्सिमम रन्स कंट्रीब्यूट करके उसके बाद किसी की परफॉर्मेंस चली नहीं.
Yeah, it is superbly odd, isn't it? We talk about how Rahul Chahar bowled well, but if you see what happened in the game, Shubman Gill stepped out, lofted the ball up. Shakib Al Hasan, for some reason, an anchor role playing player, thought that slogging would be the best option at that point. Get a release shot out with just what run a ball remaining, and Nitish Rana steps down against Chahar and then gets deceived by the googly and then just stops on the pitch. So I think that Kolkata batsmen were looking for ways to lose the game, like they found ways to lose the game rather than Mumbai bowling really well. And once those flurry of 4 wickets came about, and suddenly batsmen did not know anything what to do. Owen Morgan said something interesting in the post-match conference. He said that it's a very hard wicket to bat on for new players who have come in
Right.
immediately. They need time to settle. So someone, just one person in the Kolkata lineup, needed to see the innings through, which I personally thought was the job of Nitish Rana till he decided to step down to Chahar. So these are things that 100% are going to be looked at, and it's kind of not acceptable if superstars like Russell and Dinesh Karthik come out and deny strikes and not take the game forward. So
Right.
yeah, a lot of issues to be looked at.
एंड राजा, व्हाट अबाउट शुभमन गिल? उनकी भी परफॉर्मेंस कुछ खास नहीं रही इस बार फिर इस मैच में. कहाँ काम करने की जरूरत है शुभमन गिल को? बड़ी उम्मीदें हैं उनसे.
Like I think after that first game, he's had a pretty good second game. But someone like him, he need to realize that when you get a good start, जब आपके 30-32 रन बन जाते हैं, you need to kick on and make it count. And especially when you know that the pitch can play its part on the minds of batsmen who are following in, not going to be easy to come in and play the big shots. When you have settled yourself in, you need to play that big knock. It is not just Nitish Rana, also Shubman Gill. Either of them should have decided to stay on till the victory was achieved. I think there was some very poor planning on the part of the two batsmen. They should have stayed on till the finish and not left the job to the others to complete. None of them was ready to do that last night. But credit to Mumbai. I think when we are criticizing the Kolkata batsmen so much, we tend to ignore the fact that Mumbai worked very hard to get that victory. I think credit to Rahul Chahar for bowling very smart, for getting those 4 batsmen out at important times for his side, and for giving the confidence to the rest of the unit that they can stop Kolkata from going away with a win. It takes a Shah Rukh Khan, owner of the side, to apologize to the fans. But I think this is cricket, and sometimes these things happen. There are meltdowns. We've seen South Africa lose from winning stages, and last night Kolkata took on the role that South Africa usually plays at the world level. They choked last night.
Right. Vinasha, you were saying you were talking about the captaincy of Rohit Sharma. उस पर एक कुछ हमारे पास बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग डेटा है, फैक्ट्स हैं, हम उन पर एक नजर डालेंगे. How that he has been performing in the current IPL season against the opposition. कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के अगेंस्ट अगर उनके एवरेज की बात करें तो सबसे ज्यादा सिर्फ कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के अगेंस्ट रहा है उनका एवरेज, फॉलोड बाय पंजाब किंग्स, दिल्ली कैपिटल्स, आरसीबी, चेन्नई, राजस्थान रॉयल्स और सनराइजर्स. क्यों रोहित शर्मा, विनायशा, अपनी इनिंग को लंबा नहीं खींच पा रहे हैं? उनसे उम्मीद है कि थोड़ा लंबी इनिंग्स खेलें, थोड़ा दर्शकों को और अपने बल्लेबाजी दिखाएं और अच्छा प्रदर्शन करें. क्यों अपनी इनिंग्स को लंबा खींचने में असफल रह रहे हैं वो?
Smriti, firstly, we have to very well take a look at the conditions in Chennai. If I go to the pitch, it is a black soil, firstly dry surface, and secondly a little difficult to bat in the middle overs. And what Surya and Rohit did in the middle was they formed a 76 runs partnership for the second wicket. So what Surya played the role of an aggressor, while Rohit was more than happy to play second fiddle. He took his time in, and then he went about playing his shots. But then Surya Kumar Yadav and Ishan Kishan's wicket falling back to back, I'm sure that must have played slightly on Rohit's mind. And there was slight lapse in concentration once your partner, a set partner, falls at the other end. Definitely, he was the set batsman for the Rohit Sharma. He should have batted through the contest, and that is what great batsmen do. But somewhere he faltered. It could have been lapse of concentration, I said earlier, or it could have been, just about him losing his partner. And that crucial moment of him going down at 43 was definitely a setback for Mumbai Indians because they were comfortably placed at one side, just losing about one wicket and around getting 80 runs in the 10 overs, and then suddenly finding themselves with heaps of wickets at one end was a setback for them. But if I look at Rohit Sharma's stats, he is the person 982 runs versus Kolkata Knight Riders. His century also comes against Kolkata Knight Riders. So every stat proves that once he keeps going hard, he keeps getting into his mojo, he can continue playing that well. So it is one odd game, I feel. He's come into his groove. I'm sure in the coming matches, he will correct those errors and he will play through the innings. So that is what I would want to say about Rohit
Right.
Sharma.
राइट किंगशुक बड़ी अच्छी बात करी बिनायशा ने कि ऐसी पिचेस पे पार्टनरशिप प्लेज अ वेरी पिवटल एंड अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल एंड दैट वाज समथिंग व्हिच वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स एज वेल. जैसा कि बात हुई थी नीतीश राणा के बाद कोई इतना खास परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया. पार्टनरशिप की कितनी जरूरत होती है इन पिचेस पे, आने वाले टाइम पे इन पिचेस पर किस तरीके की पार्टनरशिप्स होनी चाहिए टीम की तरफ से?
Absolutely. So, one of the things that was the need of the hour in the last game was for someone to hold fort. When Vinayasha says about Rohit Sharma's innings yesterday was a classic case of struggle. He struggled against spin, but he held through. If just when he was finding his range, Pat Cummins came in and he took his wicket. Fine, completely fine. But Rohit Sharma showed how that particular innings has to be constructed, something that Kolkata did not do at all. Somebody has to hold fort while somebody has to aggress. I think Surya Kumar Yadav yesterday was the only batsman who looked comfortable throughout the innings, and that is because he went to look for the gaps between the fields, to split the gaps, to pierce the gaps, rather than bludgeoning through the ball, something that Shubman tried to do and got out, something that Shakib got tried to do and got out, and we already saw what happened with Andre Russell yesterday. So that is what I think should happen.
एब्सोल्युटली. राजा, एक और जो जहन में सवाल सबके है कि पांचवा मैच है इस सीजन का, 14 सीजन का, जो अमूमन बहुत ज्यादा इस वक्त देखने को मिला है कि कैचेस बड़े छूटे हैं प्लेयर्स से. ओवरऑल टीम्स की अगर परफॉर्मेंस की बात करी जाए, सारी टीम्स में कैचेस बहुत छूटे हैं. तो उसके पीछे क्या हो सकती है वजह? क्योंकि एज फैंस ये चीज बहुत चुभ रही है. Important catches.
Sorry, we got to see that in the last season as well in the Middle East, where a number of catches were dropped. I'm sure the fielding coaches will be working very hard with the team. ये होता है. It is part of the game. Some outstanding catches have been taken, and some straightforward catches have been dropped. It is part of the game. I think teams will want to improve their fielding standards overall, and IPL is known to foster great fielding standards, and I'm sure the teams will be working very hard in the coming few days to ensure that they don't look like pedestrian side sometimes. But it happens. It's part of the game. I have seen some of the best fielder drop sitter, and so it is not surprising at all. Perhaps they're getting used to the light. Perhaps they're getting used to the fact that matches are being played late evening. Maybe the conditions that they expect, that they're familiar with, they're not finding them. So I'm sure you will get to see improved fielding standards over the coming matches.
एब्सोल्युटली. फैंस के लिए बहुत अच्छा ट्रीट रहेगा क्योंकि ये जो चीज है, ये बातें हो रही हैं, तो इसके विषय में भी आई थिंक प्लेयर्स को थोड़ा सा फील्डिंग अपनी थोड़ी टाइट करनी पड़ेगी. I'll also have a look. We'll also have a look at the IPL points table at the moment. कि सबसे जो इस वक्त टॉप पे है वो है दिल्ली कैपिटल्स, फॉलोड बाय मुंबई इंडियंस, पंजाब किंग्स, राजस्थान रॉयल्स, कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स. लास्ट 3 में हम देख रहे हैं राजस्थान रॉयल्स, सनराइजर्स और चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. राजा, Delhi Capitals are at the top at the moment, followed by Mumbai Indians. कॉन्फिडेंस इस वक्त मुंबई इंडियंस का जरूर बहुत हाई होगा कि पॉइंट टेबल पे सेकंड नंबर पे होना. तो अपने आप जब फील्ड में उतरते होंगे या उतरेंगे आने वाले वक्त में, एक इनबिल्ट बूस्टर या कॉन्फिडेंस तो होगा ही टीम में.
अर्ली डेज स्मृति, अभी तो शुरू हुआ है टूर्नामेंट, 5 ही तो मैच हुए हैं. मुंबई इंडियंस हैज ऑलवेज बीन वन ऑफ दोस साइड which have done well, which have got into the playoff, और 5 बार अगर खिताब जीते हैं तो इनके पास वो अनुभव है मैचेस जीतने का, टूर्नामेंट जीतने का. बट आई थिंक बिकॉज इट इज वेरी अर्ली, you will get to see some changes in the order. But Delhi Capitals looks a very strong outfit. It does look like it is ready to win the title for the first time. Mumbai Indians has always done well in alternate years. They're looking for a hat trick, so it's going to be a good tournament. Early days, I think the table right now does not suggest what can happen toward the second half of the tournament, or even later. It's going to be interesting. A number of sides are wanting to do well. I know Kings 11 Punjab, the Punjab side, they have got a different name now. Punjab Kings they call
पंजाब
themselves.
किंग्स, राइट.
Now, they will want to win as well. They have a good unit. They will want to win as well. Kolkata Knight Riders is a much better side than we got to see them play last night. Mumbai Indians, because you pointed out that they will carry confidence, they will want their batsmen to come to the party, especially the Hardik Pandyas and the Kieron Pollards of the world. They will want them to score a lot more freely than they did last night. So there are some issues with every side. It's early days, and I'm sure they will iron them out and give us a very good tournament over the coming days.
Absolutely, they'll iron them out. Raja very well said that they'll iron it down, the points, the factors which they are lagging behind, and we all as fans will definitely get to see a very good tournament ahead. Binaisha, Mumbai Indians are at the second position in the IPL points table.
Correct.
Definitely, that is a very kind of gives a fillip as a fan that हम points table में सिर्फ एक point नीचे हैं. So what all do you expect the team? कमर कसने वाली बात जो है कि टीम टेबल पे और ऊपर आने के लिए कहाँ देखते हैं?
Firstly, Smriti, before I head into this question, I just want to add into your previous question when we spoke about the fielding standards. Yes, we have seen dropped catches, lights could be a factor, the balance could be a factor, running backwards could be a factor, but this is one consistent point which I have observed in the previous matches when it was held in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and even I've seen it now. I don't understand is why is it that we as Indians try and catch the ball the Aussie way like this?
Right.
We are technically learning to catch the ball like this. So
Yes,
what happens when the ball hits your fingers? 99% of the time, it has a tendency of falling through the gap between your palm. But when the ball falls into your palm, it hits the hard surface of the palm. So 99% it will stick on better. So
Right.
this is something I have observed technically in the fielding standards, and I've seen that previously, I've seen that now. Possibly the fielders will try and rectify that. And getting back to Mumbai have been phenomenal in this game. Now I want to point out Surya Kumar Yadav's brilliant innings of 56. He was the only batsman, of course, even Nitish Rana from Kolkata side, but Surya from Mumbai side looked like he was batting on a different surface. When he was taking on Harbhajan Singh in that third over, those 3 fours in that over, first the up sweeper shot which he played. The second one, we saw great body movement and he pierced the gap so beautifully well that it went wide of long on. And the third four was again a predetermined beautiful shot which pierced the gaps well. He waited for that shot. He went deep
Right.
into his piece and he played well. And there's definitely one more shot versus Pat Cummins, that mighty six. It was savage. He played towards that deep square region and it went on to 99 meters. So hats off to Surya Kumar Yadav in that innings. Got them to that
Right.
152 score. So Mumbai, if they want to find themselves at the top of the table, the top four in the form of Quinton de Kock, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma
Right.
and Ishan Kishan have to be
Right.
consistent. So that is
Consistent.
what I think.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Kingshuk, fifth position पे हैं Kolkata Knight Riders. Though they are in a very good shape with a very good strength in their batting and bowling lineup, almost the match was won by them yesterday. But what more needs to be done to come at a level play in the in the points table?
I think just execution, nothing else. Because out of the 40 overs played yesterday, 35 overs were dominated by Kolkata, and that's a good thing. It's just the execution left them aloof. And I think if that gets solved, again, very early stage of the tournament, we don't know what's going to happen going into it. But knowing Morgan and the kind of attributes that he brings to a particular side, the leadership roles that he brings to the side, I think execution-wise, Kolkata will be much better. And like Rajaswar said, Kolkata are a much better side than what we saw yesterday.
बेटर एप्लीकेशन और बेटर कॉम्बिनेशन की भी आई थिंक किंगशुक जरूरत रहेगी देखने के लिए सो दैट दे आउट परफॉर्म दे हैव दैट एक्स फैक्टर की जो बात करी जाए एक्स फैक्टर इज देयर but the point of the matter is better application and better combination. On that note, we'll wrap up this show. Thank you so much, Raja. Thank you so much, Kingshuk. Thank you so much, Vinayasha, for joining us and giving us these insightful details and this wonderful discussion which we had today. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
and
you.
making this show
Thank you.
a brilliant show. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And on
Thanks
that
a lot.
note, we'll have a look at a few trivias and important facts which we have here about the Kolkata Knight Riders and Mumbai Indians. One of them is the Andre Russell became the sixth bowler in the IPL to register a fifer in a losing cause. Now, this was the only second time in an IPL match that two bowlers took 4 or more wickets from each side. Nitish Rana smashed his 13th IPL half century in this match. And this was the 12th loss for Kolkata Knight Riders against Mumbai Indians in the last 13 matches in the IPL. Andre Russell became only the second bowler to pick a fifer against Mumbai Indians in the IPL. Andre Russell is the third bowler and the first pacer to pick a fifer for Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL. Remember, Andre Russell was given the purple cap in the match. And also Rohit Sharma bowled in the IPL game after a long gap of 7 years. This is very interesting with the last instance coming in 2014. मतलब 2014 में उन्होंने आखिरी बार आईपीएल मैच में बॉलिंग की थी 7 साल का गैप राहुल चहर की बात करें who was the man of the match. He picked up 4 wickets for 27 runs in this game. This was the first time he picked up a 4-5-4er in his IPL career. Now these are the important interesting trivias and facts which we have. On that note, we'll wrap up this show. A request to all our viewers to kindly adhere to the guidelines, government guidelines on the precaution of COVID-19. Help government in preventing the spread of this deadly virus. Kindly put your masks on whenever you are there in the public places and abide by social distancing whenever you go out. And as far as possible, try remaining in your houses and doing your chores from the houses itself. Take care of yourself, stay healthy. These are the times where we need to be very responsible, not only for us, but for the other lives as well. On that note, thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.